Neutering your female dog or cat helps prevent against unwanted pregnancies, the inconvenience of season-related behaviour, and also prevents many health problems later on in life, including mammary tumours, cancers of the ovaries and uterus, and pyometra, which is a life-threatening infection of the womb. Neutering female dogs and cats is best performed around about 6 months of age before they have their first season. Neutering male dogs and cats helps prevent against prostatic disease and testicular tumours, and also stops the wandering behaviour associated with the male dog going off to look for a mate, and it can help prevent male cats from spraying in the house as well. Neutering male cats and small breed dogs is best performed around about 6 months of age, but for larger breed dogs it's best to wait until 12 to 18 months of age, as this is when they'll go through their final stage in development. It's best to wait till after that before neutering them. Both female cats and male dogs and female dogs will go home with its wound with stitches, which will have to be removed 10 days later. They'll also go home with some pain relief and some special recovery diet for after their operation to help with recovery. After neutering, it's advisable to monitor your pet's calorific intake, as some cats and dogs can be prone to weight gain after their surgery, and this applies to both male and female cats and dogs. There's two ways that you can reduce their calorific intake after their operation. Either reduce the amount of their normal food that they're fed, or you can get special diets, especially for neutered pets, that limit their calorific intake. Overweight pets can be prone to a couple of different health problems later on in life, including joint disease or arthritis and diabetes as well. It's best idea to monitor your pet's body condition from an early age to make sure they won't become obese later on in life. And the best way to do this is to run your hands over their rib cage, and you should be able to feel their ribs by applying gentle pressure. And they should have a nice waist that tucks in afterwards as well. And if you can feel those two things, it probably means your pet's in good body condition. The nurses at the practice run weight clinics, so if you're concerned that your animal might be overweight, it's a good idea to book a check with one of the nurses. They can let you know whether you need to start restricting the amount of food that they eat or change them onto a different diet. If you need veterinary advice or emergency treatment out with surgery hours, phone in the normal practice number. It will give you details of the emergency vet clinic, which is the Vets Now Centre over in North Street in Glasgow. They have a dedicated team of vets and nurses that give emergency care and treatment out with normal surgery hours.